Hello, and welcome to our presentation, Slowing Down Aging with SOQI Products. In this video, we will discuss the effects of aging, how SOQI products can combat these effects, and introduce you to a routine that you can perform using our multi-energy approach. Stay tuned through the end of the video, where we will introduce some special discounts available for the month of September. As we age, we experience more and more of the great things that life has to offer. However, over time, the signs of aging become more noticeable. The more aggressive the changes, the more obvious they become. Gradually, our skin begins to show signs of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and loose skin. These features can sometimes affect our body image. Every time our cells replicate, there's always a chance that they will be a mutation or a change. The longer you live, the more likely you will experience some of these abnormalities in your cells. If you can slow down the intervals between these DNA replications, you can reduce the chance of mutations. In this video, we will highlight a few of our SOQI products that keep your skin young and healthy. All of our products are part of the SOQI multi-energy approach. Our main goal as a brand is to use different types of energy, in this case, motion, heat, electric, and aroma, to promote wellness and holistic health. Our e-Power machine uses electric high-frequency energy to balance your negative and positive ions. By increasing your negative potential energy, the e-Power can increase your metabolism and keep cells energized. Here are some areas that you can target with e-Power to improve your skin appearance and texture. Deep skin wrinkles, agings in the cheeks and chin, body skin firming, skin hydration, increased skin glow, and removal of spots and redness. Our ceramic heater and fur pad utilize the power of heat energy through the far infrared heat, also known as fur. Because fur heat is so well absorbed by the human body, it can increase metabolism and the generation of new cells. The Chi machine harnesses the power of motion energy by providing aerobic exercise, similar to running or swimming. These unique goldfish-like movements of the machine helps increase your circulation. With better circulation, your body can have better Chi flow, as well as higher oxygen levels. Your body can more efficiently renew cells and detox your skin. Our number 6 Good Soul essential oil uses the power of aroma to help calm you. This essential oil is related to your Anja chakra, located on your forehead, which is connected to your face and mind. It's the perfect essential oil to use for your facial skin and scalp. As we have discussed, the Chi machine, e-Power, ceramic heater, and our number 6 Good Soul essential oil have positive effects on your skin. These effects will be enhanced by using these products together. On the next slide, we will share a wellness routine that you can try for yourself or a client. Follow these steps for an anti-aging routine. The first step is to use our number 6 Good Soul essential oil. Dispense 1 or 2 drops onto your pillowcase and add 3 to 4 drops to a diffuser. The second step is to use your e-Power 30 minutes twice a day. Then use your ceramic heater 30 minutes twice a day. The Chi machine can be used for 5 to 10 minutes twice a day, and the fur pad should be used 30 minutes twice a day. As shown by the model on this slide, you can use your ceramic heater, fur pad, and Chi machine all together at the same time to enhance and save time. Just a reminder that the e-Power should not be used with our other products at the same time. It should be used separately. As a recap, here are the ways that SOQI products can help combat aging. Improve sleep, slow down the replication of cells, rejuvenate the cells, detoxify, improved immunity, and improve circulation.